Have you ever wondered who Anton Van Leeuwenhoek was? Maybe yes or maybe not, but believe us, once you know how much this person did, you'll be very surprised. So, in this video, we will show you who Leeuwenhoek was. To learn a little more about Antonie Philip Van Leeuwenhoek, we'll talk a little bit about him. He was the son of Philip Antonich Van Leeuwenhoek, who was a basket keeper who died when Leeuwenhoek was only 5 years old, and his mother, Margaret Van of Berg, remarried to Jacob Jans Molgin. As he was advancing academically, he studied at the Warmond School in Delft. He is known as the father of microbiology and cell biology. The areas he handled was microbiology and microscopic.
His story. He was born on October 24, 1632 in Delft, Netherlands, 1648. He was sent to Amsterdam as he was a prince of cloth. He began his life as scientist. 1653. He observed his first microscope with the aim of commercializing fabric. He prospered and was assigned chamberlain to the sheriff of Delft in 1660 and becoming the superior 9 years later, 1668. Leeuwenhoek demonstrated how red blood cells circulate through the capillaries of a rabbit ear and the interdigital membrane of a frog's leg. 1674. He made the first accurate description of the red blood cells, started card exchanges with Royal Society. In 1676, Van Leeuwenhoek observed water closely and surprised to see tiny organisms, the first bacteria observed by man. 1677. Antonie Van Leeuwenhoek described the sperm of insects and humans. Leeuwenhoek studied the structure of the optic lens, striations in muscles and mouth parts of insects, and the fine structure of plants, and discovered parthenogenesis in aphids. 1680. Leeuwenhoek was admitted as a member of the Royal Society. 1723. He died in August 26 in Delft.
Conclusion. Leeuwenhoek stood out for being the first to make observations and discoveries with microscopes that he perfected himself. Leeuwenhoek chose to observe the interior of the planet and wanted to see the invisible, so we hope you enjoyed it.